Did you know that a 30-minute cycling session can burn up to 300 calories? That's right, hop on an exercise bike, and you are on your way to a fitter you. Exercise bikes are a fantastic way to get in shape and improve your overall health. They offer a low-impact, high-reward workout experience that can be tailored to any fitness level. Whether you are a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, an exercise bike can be your perfect workout partner. It's like having a gym in the comfort of your own home. No need to worry about the weather or finding time to hit the gym. With an exercise bike, you are in control, but we get it. Staying motivated and finding the right workout routine can be tough. Life gets busy, and sometimes it feels impossible to stick to a fitness plan. Trust us, we have been there. That's where the exercise bike comes in. It's convenient, effective, and, dare we say, fun. Let's dive into the world of exercise bikes and discover how they can help you achieve your fitness goals. Get ready to pedal your way to a healthier, happier you. We all know that staying fit is important. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good, both physically and mentally. It keeps our bodies strong and our minds sharp. Regular exercise can boost our mood, improve our sleep, and even increase our energy levels. But let's be honest, finding the motivation to exercise regularly can be a real struggle. We all have those days when getting off the couch feels like an impossible task. Time is precious, and fitting in a workout often feels like adding another item to our never-ending to-do lists. Between work, family, and other responsibilities, it can seem like there's just no time left for exercise. Gym memberships can be expensive, and who wants to brave the traffic just to exercise? Then there's the weather. Bad weather can be a huge deterrent. Rainy days or scorching heat can derail even the best workout plans. It's hard to stay motivated when the weather is working against you. We've all been there, right? Staring out the window, debating whether to put on our running shoes or just curl up on the couch. The struggle is real. But here's the thing, staying fit doesn't have to be a chore. It can actually be something you look forward to. It shouldn't feel like a burden. Exercise should be a part of your day that you enjoy, not dread. It's about finding an activity you enjoy, something that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. When you find the right exercise, it becomes a natural part of your routine. That's where exercise bikes come in. They offer a convenient, flexible, and effective way to stay active without the hassle of going to a gym. They offer a convenient, flexible, and effective way to stay active without the hassle. You can use them while watching TV, listening to music, or even catching up on your favorite podcasts. No more excuses about time, weather, or gym costs. With an exercise bike, you can stay fit regardless of external conditions. With an exercise bike, you can work out anytime, anywhere, on your own terms. Whether it's early in the morning or late at night, the flexibility is unmatched. It's time to say goodbye to workout struggles and hello to a fitness routine that works for you. Embrace the change and make fitness a fun, integral part of your life. Stepping into the world of exercise bikes can feel like entering a cycling superstore. The sheer variety can be overwhelming, but it also means there's something for everyone. There are so many options. From sleek, high-tech models to simple, no-frills bikes, the choices are endless. Don't worry, we are here to help you navigate the choices and find the perfect bike for your needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cyclist, there's a bike that fits your lifestyle. First up, we have the classic upright bike. This type of bike is a staple in many home gyms. This one resembles your traditional outdoor bicycle. It's designed to give you a familiar riding experience. It's a great all-around option, perfect for beginners. If you're just starting out, this bike can help you ease into your fitness routine. Then there's the recumbent bike, which offers back support and a more relaxed riding position. This bike is ideal for those who need extra comfort. If you have back issues or prefer a comfortable ride, this one's for you. The recumbent bike allows you to work out without straining your back. For those seeking a high-intensity workout, indoor cycling bikes are the way to go. These bikes are built for serious training. These bikes often feature heavier flywheels, simulating the feel of outdoor cycling. They provide a challenging workout that can help you build strength and endurance. Many come with interactive features like virtual classes and performance tracking, making your workouts more engaging. You can join live classes or follow along with pre-recorded sessions. And if you're short on space, folding exercise bikes are your best bet. These bikes are designed to be compact and easy to store. They fold up neatly for easy storage, perfect for small apartments or rooms. You can keep them out of the way when not in use. No matter your fitness level, budget, or space constraints, there's an exercise bike out there waiting for you. The key is to find one that matches your personal needs. It's all about finding the one that aligns with your needs and fitness goals. Take your time to explore the options and choose wisely. Remember, the best exercise bike is the one you'll actually use. So pick the one that excites you and makes you want to ride every day. So, you've got your exercise bike, now what? The key to success is integrating cycling into your daily routine. Start small and gradually increase your workout duration and intensity. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to cycle for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. You can even break it down into shorter intervals throughout the day. Watch your favorite TV show while pedaling, listen to an audiobook, or catch up with friends on the phone. Multitasking makes workouts more enjoyable. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Use a fitness tracker or app to monitor your distance, speed, and calories burned. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Don't forget to mix things up. Vary your workout routine to avoid boredom. Try interval training where you alternate between high-intensity bursts and periods of recovery. This helps boost your metabolism and burn more calories. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you're feeling pain, stop and rest. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the ride and celebrate your progress along the way. Real people, real results. Don't just take our word for it. The real proof lies in the stories of those who have embraced the journey. Countless individuals have transformed their lives through the power of exercise bikes. These bikes have become a cornerstone in their fitness routines, helping them achieve goals they once thought were out of reach. Take Sarah, a busy mom of two who struggled to find time for herself, let alone exercise. Juggling work, kids, and household chores left her exhausted and out of shape. She decided to give exercise biking a try and hasn't looked back since. The convenience of having a bike at home allowed her to fit in workouts without disrupting her busy schedule. It's been a game changer, she says. The flexibility to exercise at home has made all the difference. I can now squeeze in a workout while my kids are napping. This has not only improved my physical health but also my mental well-being. I've lost weight, gained energy, and feel so much better about myself. The transformation has been incredible. Then there's John, who used to dread going to the gym. The crowded spaces and unfamiliar equipment made him anxious. He found the environment intimidating and the equipment confusing. It was a constant struggle to stay motivated. An exercise bike provided him with a comfortable and convenient way to work out at his own pace. No more feeling out of place or overwhelmed. I love that I can hop on my bike anytime I want without feeling self-conscious, he shares. It's given me the confidence to stay consistent. I've noticed a significant improvement in my cardiovascular health, and I'm now able to keep up with my grandkids. The benefits have extended beyond just physical fitness. These stories are a testament to the transformative power of exercise bikes. They highlight the diverse ways in which people have improved their lives. They prove that it's never too late to prioritize your health and well-being. No matter your age or fitness level, there's a place for you in this journey. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain strength, or simply improve your overall fitness, an exercise bike can help you get there. It's a versatile tool that fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. Pedal your way to a healthier you. Incorporating an exercise bike into your routine is like unlocking a treasure chest of health benefits. It's not just about shedding pounds or building muscles, it's about improving your overall well-being. Cycling is a fantastic cardiovascular workout. It gets your heart pumping and your blood flowing, strengthening your heart and reducing the risk of heart disease. But it doesn't stop there. Regular cycling can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and regulate blood sugar levels. It's like giving your body a powerful shield against chronic diseases. And let's not forget about the mental benefits. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in our brains. Cycling can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve sleep quality. It's like a mini vacation for your mind and body. So, what are you waiting for? Hop on an exercise bike and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. The benefits of exercise bikes. Let's recap the amazing benefits of incorporating an exercise bike into your fitness routine. Weight management. Burn calories and shed those extra pounds. Cardiovascular health. Strengthen your heart and improve blood circulation. Improve mood. Release endorphins and experience a natural mood boost. Reduce stress. Pedal away stress and anxiety. Better sleep. Enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Convenience. Work out anytime, anywhere on your own schedule. Low impact, gentle on your joints, making it suitable for all ages and fitness levels. Customizable workouts. Adjust the intensity and resistance to match your fitness goals. With so many advantages, it's no wonder exercise bikes are becoming increasingly popular. They offer a practical and effective way to prioritize your health and well-being. Ride into a brighter future. Ready to embark on a transformative fitness journey? An exercise bike is your ticket to a healthier, happier you. It's time to ditch the excuses and embrace a workout routine that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Listen to your body, challenge yourself, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. So, what are you waiting for? Hop on an exercise bike and pedal your way to a brighter, healthier future.